If you're a first-time VPN user or someone who values transparency, you might be deciding between TunnelBear VPN and Windscribe VPN. But how do they stack up against each other, and which one really offers the best features for your needs? Well, stay tuned because by the end of this video, I'll not only compare both services, but also recommend a better alternative that you should definitely check out. Let's start with what TunnelBear VPN is known for. When it comes to being user-friendly for first-timers, TunnelBear really shines. It's super simple to use. You don't need any technical knowledge to get started, and the interface is playful yet effective. The main selling point here is its set it and forget it approach. Just launch the app and get protected right away. But here's the catch: while it's great for beginners, you might hit a wall if you want more advanced features, like split tunneling or a kill switch. TunnelBear is streamlined, but that also means limited flexibility. Next thing, let's talk about Windscribe. Windscribe also offers a very solid service, and it's another great choice for first-time users. Its interface is a bit more complex than TunnelBear's, but it still manages to maintain ease of use. Windscribe's biggest draw is the amount of control it offers users. You can select specific locations within countries, use custom configurations, and even adjust advanced settings if you want more customization. However, while it's certainly beginner-friendly, it doesn't have quite the same plug-and-play simplicity as TunnelBear. So, Windscribe might require a little more time to learn if you're a true VPN newbie. The fourth thing I want to talk about is privacy, which brings us to the transparency policies of both companies. TunnelBear's transparency is one of its stronger points. They have a public transparency report, and they've undergone independent security audits to prove their commitment to privacy. While that's reassuring, they're a bit more limited in how much detail they provide about their internal operations. Windscribe, on the other hand, really stands out with its transparency. They're incredibly open about their logging policy and the data they collect, which is practically nothing, to be honest. Windscribe even publishes their internal audit logs for users to review, giving them a level of transparency that TunnelBear can't quite match. It's impressive, and for privacy-conscious users, it might just be a deciding factor. Now, let's touch on performance. Both TunnelBear and Windscribe perform pretty well, but Windscribe often outperforms TunnelBear in terms of speed and server locations. Windscribe has more servers across more countries, which gives it a slight edge for anyone looking for a faster connection and more server options. TunnelBear is faster than you might expect, but if you're serious about having the best speeds in more regions, Windscribe could be a better option. When it comes to pricing, TunnelBear offers a free plan with limited data, which is fine for light users, but if you want unlimited data, you're looking at a paid plan that's fairly basic. Windscribe, however, offers a free plan as well, but gives you 10 gigabytes of data, which is much more generous. Their paid plans are priced similarly to TunnelBear, but with the added bonus of more features and data flexibility. So, what's the verdict? Both TunnelBear and Windscribe are solid VPN options, but they cater to slightly different audiences. TunnelBear is perfect for first-time users who want a no-fuss experience, while Windscribe offers more for those who want transparency, better privacy policies, and a little more customization. But after trying both, I'm going to recommend a better alternative if you're looking for something that combines user-friendliness with top-tier privacy and performance. The VPN I'm talking about is in the first link in the description. You'll get a special free trial with exclusive benefits that you can't find anywhere else. It's the ultimate VPN for both beginners and those who want advanced features with peace of mind.